Do you have back pain or neck pain? I'm going to show you some easy ways to use massage balls to help get rid of the pain. Hi, I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV. Well, if you're like me, sometimes you get back pain up and down your spine and even neck pain, and you want to alleviate that as much as possible when it happens. I'm going to talk to you today about different kinds of massage balls. Please subscribe to this channel and click the little gray bell so that you'll be notified every time there's a new video, and all the videos will apply to you, especially if you're a mature woman over 50. My physical therapist has shown me a trick for using or really making my own massage balls for going up and down the spine. And that was to take 2 tennis balls, and then he wrapped it in this tape. I think it's pronounced Coben tape. I'll have a link to it in the description box below the video. And this tape adheres to itself. Now, the other thing that you can do instead of this kind of tape, you can use an old sock or buy a pair of new socks, take 2 tennis balls, put it into the foot of the sock, and then tie a knot right above it, and then clip off the extra. And then you can use it just like this, and I'll show you in a moment how I use it. Another thing you can do is to buy the balls already put together like this. They call these peanut massage balls because they're kind of shaped like a peanut. And that way they're already together. They've got a little bit of softness to them. I'll have one of these linked below as well. Now, way before I knew my physical therapist, I just bought 2 Little League baseballs and I was using these. Now, when I told him this, he's like, ooh, those are kind of hard. A tennis ball or even the little peanut massage ball isn't quite as hard. It's a little softer. But then he admitted that his wife likes using these. And sometimes I just like to use one. If I've got a knot right in my shoulder, I'll show you how I work that out as well. So I'm going to start with the tennis ball, since this is the homemade one. And I'm going to set it as if the upper back is what I want to get. So I'm going to set it so that it straddles my spine and get my hair out of the way. And I'm going to put my feet flat on the ground and lift my hips just a little bit. And I'm just going to move my body along the massage balls, up and down, up and down. So if you've got a spot in there that you just want to get, you can just move yourself back and forth. Wear a shirt that moves nicely. Yep, and that works really nicely. So now I'm going to take the peanut balls and do the same thing. Just set them to straddle my spine. And lift my hips up and just walk it. You can go as far as your lower spine with this thing if you want to. And it feels really good. I wouldn't lie on it for very long. You could just let it have a pressure point to just sit there, but maybe just do it for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds and then switch, because you don't want to really bruise yourself either, right? Now, I mentioned the little baseballs. Well, it's a regulation baseball. But if I have a little knot in the upper part of my shoulder, I'll just put that ball there and I'll just work it out, going in little circles for maybe up to 30 seconds, and then I take a break because I don't want to overdo it, but it feels really, really good. Now this one, I probably could with 2 of them put them at my neck, but I have something else to show you that I think is better for the neck. The thing I really like for my neck is this Homedics neck massager. Now, some of them come with this flap, some don't, and they have these 2 side-by-side, well, I guess there are 4 of them, little massage shiatsu balls that go around. So I like to use this on my neck and just position it, and it also has heat, and I'm going to demonstrate for you how it works. Here I have the Hermetic massager. The dog is very interested in it as well, and you can see I have the heat on and the red balls. Mine has a flap. You don't need the flap. It just softens the intensity. I like to use a couch or a chair like I'm doing here. Here I have it on the top part of my neck. Here I'm going to adjust it a little bit more, and I'm going to place it right at the base of my skull, and it feels so good. It makes my head move a little bit, as you can see. Then I'm going to adjust it and put it right on my neck, and that feels really good. And I can turn my head left or right to get a little more intensity on one side or another. And then I'm going to put it down a little bit more and put it at the top of my shoulders. Oh my gosh, that feels really good. I often do this. You can see it really feels great. And I'll bend over a little bit, one side or another, just to get a little more intense massage from these little heated balls inside. I just absolutely love it. So that's what works really well for me. Check out one of my other videos by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.